Jared and I and the kids went to the park, so now I'm gonna take 10 minutes and tidy each room in the house because nothing like a good old Saturday reset. Good, come get you. Whee! Whee!
Yucky.
Is that yucky?
No.
So starting in the kitchen, we are going to get all of our groceries from Aldi's undone and put in the fridge. And then we are going to just get started on some dinner. It was around, I think, like 5 o'clock. And we did a stir fry tonight. And I tried to get a clip of it, but then I did it in super speed motion. So you're just going to have to pause it if you want to see what it is. It's a Thai chicken, like a stir fry. And I always add in eggs because I feel like it just helps make the meal go further. So I'll do like 6 eggs to like 2 packs of this Thai noodles, and the kids love it. I love it. It's kind of spicy, but it's not too spicy. So the addition is going amazing. I have loved having this extra room. It feels like it's always been there. It's been super good for nap time. I can put our youngest in that room and she sleeps so peacefully. We still have to do a little bit of the siding at the bottom, and then some trim at the bottom, and then paint still, but that can happen later. Hot, Hazy. Hot. Hot. Look how beautiful this egg is. We're finally getting some rain. Yay! I'm gonna replace my Zevo. And we are back to trying to tidy up. I gave myself 10 minutes, and this was before I set the timer, but I decided that I wanted to be able to clean the space in 10 minutes, and I set the timer. That just keeps that motivation going to get it done. And my husband was outside putting on new steps because we had had ours for 5 years and they had gotten soft in some spots. So we wanted to make sure it was safe because that was not safe. So I started the 10-minute timer, and I was able to get some good cleaning done. I was able to wipe some things down, and that felt good to get everything off of the couches and just have a fresh start in this room. All of this stuff went into my son's closet, where I'm just kind of using it as where I'm storing all the homeschooling things, some sewing things. My daughter would love to learn how to sew, so I'm keeping that so that I can teach her how to sew. I have 3 minutes left, so I'm gonna take that to clean some of these nice yogurt spots on my couch, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean the countertop off as well.
Don't stop, just keep going, don't you stress. Have some fun, don't take it so serious. One step, one back, that's all it takes. Little by little, bumps of progress we make. We've got a mission, yes we do. Clearing space for something new. We gotta get rid of more so the mess is less. Thank you, Lord, for this day. We are so blessed. Woo! Let's make it break day. Hey, hey. Clearing out the clutter, making room to stay. Peace in our home, no more distress. We're letting go so the mess is less. Our mess is less. I'm on a roll, yeah. I don't slow down. No mess too big. I'm turning it around. Pick it up, put it back, let it go for good. This is a life I knew I could.
My favorite go-to toilet bowl cleaner for hard water. I'm also gonna do the next clips in black and white because something about cleaning a toilet bowl just grosses me out. And we have hard water, so it gets very stained very easily. So just know I'm using the works to get some of these hard water stains off, and I will show you guys the after.
Motivation rising in my soul. Every step I'm in control. We gotta get rid of more so the mess is less. Thank you, Lord, for this day. We are so blessed. Woo! Let's
That was actually really good. I used this cherry lime LaCroix, however you say that, LaCroix. And I used my Collagen Co. Tropical Punch Super Greens.
God.
So while Jared was out there doing this front walkway on our porch, I went in the house and enjoyed spending time with my oldest. She is creating this little DIY house that is amazing. It blows my mind that she can do this stuff. Put each little individual thing together. And she wrapped up all of these, made these boxes, all of this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It is now the next week, and I will see you guys in the shorts video. If you don't know, I post almost every single day, so I will see you guys there. I'm so happy you found this channel, and I'm so happy you're a part of the community. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you made it this far, go ahead and drop a tornado emoji in the comments, and I will see you guys there. Bye for now.